how to set TikTok music as a ringtone on Android. So if you want to set TikTok music as a ringtone on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Go with share. Under share you need to go with save video, or you can just simply copy the link. Once you've copied the link, you can go back and you need to just open up your Google and search for TikTok audio downloader and tap on download TikTok mp3 file. Now you just need to simply paste the link right here and then tap on download. Tap on download mp3, which will only download the audio. As you can see that the file has started downloading. Now once it's downloaded, you need to tap on open, and as you can see that I only have audio. Now you can go back and go with your settings, go with your phone, ringtone, tap on ringtone, and then tap on the ringtone option again. Now you can go with choose local ringtone and then select music and select the audio that we downloaded. After that, tap on OK and tap on apply, and in this way you'll be able to set TikTok music as a ringtone on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.